In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary admin in QuickBooks Online. So, whether you're transitioning the role to someone else or just tidying up your account management, you're in the right place. Let's start by heading over to QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks, you'll first need to create an account. But if you already have one, great, just click on the Sign In button to get started. Once you've logged into your account, you'll need to verify your identity. Find the I'm not a robot checkbox and give it a click. This step is a part of QuickBooks' security measures to keep your information safe. After this verification, click Continue, and you should be prompted to enter your password. Input your password, then hit Continue once more to proceed. Now, you should see a list of company files associated with your account. Go ahead and choose the company file for which you want to change the primary admin. Once you're inside the company file, the next stop is the QuickBooks dashboard. Here, look for the settings, which you can find in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to expand the menu and then select Manage Users. This area is where you can control who has access to your QuickBooks account. At this point, if the person you want to designate as the new primary admin hasn't been added as a user, you'll need to invite them. To do this, click Add User, choose Company Admin as the user type, and enter their email address. Once you've sent the invitation, remind them to check their email and accept the invitation to be added to your QuickBooks account as a user. Once the new admin is listed as a user, navigate back to the Manage Users section, locate their name and click on the drop-down arrow next to it. Here you'll find the option to make primary admin. Select that, and a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm the transfer and QuickBooks will automatically send an email to this user, inviting them to accept their new role as the primary admin. After the new admin receives the email, they'll need to click on Accept Invitation to solidify the change. It's important to ensure this step is completed to avoid any delays in the transition. Once they've accepted the role, return to the Manage Users page and refresh it to verify the change. You should now see the new user's name listed as the primary admin. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the primary admin in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful as you navigate through managing your QuickBooks account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.